Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios and today we're standing in front of an absolutely beautiful 1971 Nova SS 4-speed Black Beauty. Guys, just want to let you know we do videos as a service to our clients. Most dealers charge you for the video. At Vanguard, we like to give you that so you can make great buying decisions, make sure the car is fit for you. And also 95% of our cars are bought sight unseen, and that's another reason we like to give you as much information on the vehicle as we possibly can. And by doing that, we do carry 100% feedback on eBay. So hey, we want to park your dream in your driveway. We want you to be happy. And I know you're tired of being a spectator at the car show. It's time to be a contestant. Come on up. Let's take a walk around this car. We're going to show you everything and take you for a little ride. The motor in here is a 350 4-bolt main. It's been completely and professionally done. It's 30 over, 10.5 to 1 compression, all the best parts inside and out, roller rockers, all the good stuff, guys. Unbelievable ride here. Everything's been professionally done. The gentleman who owned this car was completely anal. Everything's documented. Running front disc brakes, power steering, just one sweetheart of a ride. I'm going to drop the hood. We're going to take a look at the paint, interior, and take you for a ride. What a stellar black paint job this car has. Absolutely mirror finish. All the margins on the car line up spectacular. Beautiful, custom done, red pinstriping. They're not decals. Sitting on Weld racing wheels. And in the back we have the 555R drag radials. It's set up with Comp Engineering J-bar traction control system. This car's never been tubbed. It's hooked up to, the motor's hooked up to a I believe it's an M20 Muncie, sending it all to a 12-bolt 373 gear with staggered rear shocks. This car was set up great, guys. I'm going to pop the trunk. We're going to take a look inside the trunk and show you how clean it is as well. What a beautiful trunk, very sanitary, very solid. The guy has only used synthetic fluid from front to back in this car. Just an absolutely awesome, maintained, meticulous car here, guys. I'm going to drop the trunk lid. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You know about black paint, it better be a solid straight body, else it's going to be waving at you, and this car definitely does not do any waving. Absolutely beautiful. Got one little imperfection down here on the bottom of the door, and it is sure a beauty. Don't forget, you can always call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can talk about details. Process is very easy. We sell hundreds of cars online, sight unseen. Basically, you give us a deposit, we overnight you the title, our wire information. In about a week, your car shows up at your house. How cool is that? What a beautiful black interior this vehicle has. Absolutely spotless, clean. seat belts, tack, and get all the special gauges as well, your water volts and your oil pressure as well. Let's go for a ride in this fantastic 71 Nova 4-speed. Just an unbelievable car. It's just absolutely impeccable. Everything about it is in awesome shape, and everything works, which is very rare in these classic cars. The gentleman that owned it was very anal, and he took care of everything from mechanically to physical appearance of the vehicle. Don't forget it. You can go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and become subscribers of us on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can be seeing beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you're looking for a class